My name is Patrick Ngolobe. I'm a consultant working with Hive Collab with a program of ITC and Korea SME that is being delivered by YSAU Uganda. We've been running this program for a while, and we now have our last cohort 4. And in this program, I focus on product market fit to support the entrepreneurs to define their products in relation to an actual existing market. In this framework, we go back to the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, asking ourselves those questions of, is there a problem? How big is the problem? And who bears the pain of that problem? And have they reached a tipping point where they actually need a solution? If we answer those questions, then the entrepreneur, the founder, can then progress to building a solution. And so that is the framework that we use with our founders and the entrepreneurs under this program. It helps us to make sure that the founders and the businesses that go through our program are able to scale, they're able to grow, they are sustainable, they're able to generate revenue, and they're actually solving real life problems. Part of the tools that we use with the founders, we go through the business model canvas, where they're going to be able to look at the segment and the unique selling proposition, the unique value proposition that they give to the customers. It's only when the customer is able to attach value to your product or solution that they will be able to give it a price and therefore give you an opportunity to make money in the market. And we have seen for the past 2-3 years that we've been on this program, we've seen a number of startups going through our hands and being able to generate revenue and being able to scale and employ more people and move from just a little location to run at a national level and see how they can tap into the export market. So when you sign up with this program, you'll not only speak to me as Patrick, as one of the consultants, but you have access to about 6 consultants that are looking at different focus areas to make sure that we build a strong business out of Uganda. So thank you so much for being a part of this.